Wait, I got it. Here, I got flip. If you're not a hibachi chef, you should not be using these as a daily tool. You definitely should be using these on your engines. It's 2026. Get into the Mueller Kueps Carbide scrapers. Hey, I'm Josh, Parts Director at Fortis HD. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the tool bench. But Josh, my razor blade works just fine. It costs pennies on the dollars. It's true that razor blades are cheap individually, but they're disposable for a reason. On a single tough job like cleaning cylinder heads or removing old gaskets, you might go through a dozen blades, stopping every few minutes to swap them out as they dull or snap. With the Mueller Kueps Carbide scrapers, you're buying a precision tool, not a consumable. Because the carbide insert is extremely durable, it stays sharp for years of professional use. You aren't just paying for the edge, you're paying for the rigidity that helps prevent you from gouging that aluminum cylinder head. And that's why, if you're still using razor blades, it's time to upgrade to carbide. Available in both standard and an XL version for when the job requires significantly more reach. The standard is the 268220. It's the original, featuring two sizes. This kit includes the 268221, which has a 60mm blade for tight, precise areas, and the 268222, which provides a wider 32mm blade for larger surfaces. Both tools in this kit have a total length of approximately 8 inches and utilize a 4mm thick carbide tip. For tasks requiring more reach in hard to access areas or recessed components, the 268320 XL carbide scraper kit is the ideal choice. This kit features the 268321 and 322 models. While these maintain the same high quality scraping performance, their total length is extended to approximately 11 inches. And just like the standard set, these are equipped with ergonomic hand grips to ensure you maintain control and comfort with heavy-duty use. The primary advantage of these tools over traditional steel scrapers lies in the high-quality carbide inserts. Carbide is incredibly hard and durable, allowing these tools to feature a double-edged blade that works as both a push and a pull tool. The versatility is essential for removing burned-in corrosion on brakes, stubborn carbon on exhaust manifolds, or paint and glue in hard-to-reach areas. And that's the Mueller Kueps Carbide scrapers. You can find these kits and a full range of the Mueller product at FortisHD.com. Thank you for watching our product highlight of these tools, and we'll be producing more of these tool overviews, so please subscribe and follow us on social media to see more content. If there's a specific tool you would like us to check out, or a product you would like to see Fortis carry, let us know in the comments or send an email to media@FortisHD.com. We'll see you at the next one. But Josh, my razor blades work fine and they cost us pennies on the dollars. Let's do it like this.